Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to watch Beanie on Wish Bus. Finally, nagbabalik na sila sa Wish Bus and yung i-upload ngayon ng Wish Bus is yung bikini performance ng Beanie. So I'm super excited kasi di ba grabe yung grabe yung ingay ng bikini lately. Pero alam mo yun, sana mag-upload yung Beanie ng performance video or kaya dance practice, di ba? Para mas mag-trend siya sa TikTok, ganan. So, I'm super excited kasi hindi lang bikini yung pinerform nila sa Wish Bus. Sana may upload ng Wish Bus lahat yun, di ba? Like, hindi matabunan. Kasi yung sa Wish Bus USA, di ba? Grabe, ilang months bago may upload. Pero yung sa Beanie naman ngayon, parang 1 week lang. Almost 2 weeks before i-upload. So, sana sunod-sunod na yung upload ng Beanie performances sa Wish Bus. So, by the way guys, yung in-upload sa Beanie Global na parang behind the scenes nung intimate performance video ng Beanie, parang 28 minutes ata yun. So hindi ko pa siya na-i-video and hindi ko pa siya na-i-react. I'm feeling under the weather today. Medyo nahihilo ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit, na parang inaantok. Pero pinilit ko lang talagang mag-video nitong Wish Bus kasi baka may ma-spoil or baka may makitang spoiler sa X. So, if ever baka i-upload ko dito sa YouTube ay highlights lang nung behind the scenes kasi hindi ko pwedeng i-upload yung buong video dito sa YouTube channel kasi mabablock copyright siya. Ayoko naman mangyari yon. Pero yung unedited version, baka i-upload ko siya sa Patreon. Bahala na, gagawan ko na lang ng paraan. So ngayon, ito na, 9 o'clock PM na. So, i-check na natin yung Beanie Bikini Wish Bus performance. Let's go!
I step out in my new bikini hat.
Oh my God, the visual! Okay.
I step out
I'll try
in my
not
new
to
bikini
pause.
hat. Turn when they see me, keep it at ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut
The
in my new
vocals.
bikini. Yeah. I ain't skipping meals, yeah, come on,
Hey!
I don't leave no
Ay,
crumbs,
kaya.
yeah, take the play. This curve's making hurt. I'm worth all the work. I know what's up. It's gonna keep you full all day. I step
Oh my God, kulat na ganda mo!
when they see
What?
me, keep
Wait lang, ganda ni Colette guys. The train, the hair, the outfit. Oh my gosh, everything. Colette, kalmahan mo please. And grabe yung kahit pasigaw yung lyrics, parang alam mo yun, grabe pa din yung boses nila.
all the work. I know
It's so perfect.
it's gonna keep you full all day. I
Oh my God, Colette, ang ganda!
bikini hats, and when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah.
The harmonies.
Beanie, come over here and see me strut in
Guys, ang ganda ni Gwen.
new bikini. Yeah. Might wanna beanie, come over.
Can we all agree na super ganda ni Gwen dito? Oh my gosh, guys, grabe si Gwen lately sa akin. Kung nakafollow kayo sa ex ko, alam nyo yan. Like, oh my gosh, since Beanified, grabe ako hatakin ni Gwen. So, Colette and Jo, kumapit kayo please.
Over here and see me strut ocean breezy. Yeah. Might wanna beanie,
Iba yung
come over here
glow
and
and
see me strut in
blooming
my
ni
new
Gwen.
bikini. Yeah. Just like that.
Oh my gosh,
You like that? I step out in my new bikini hat, turn when they see me, keep
Ganda.
it in ocean breezy. Yeah. Oh my God, look at what I got.
Grabe yung
Like a real
chills.
tale, wanna stay faithful.
woo! Grabe she.
Turn when they see me, keep it in ocean breezy. Yeah. Oh my God, look at what I got. Like a real tale, wanna stay faithful.
Wow.
You can go talk
Grabe yung kay
whatever you
Colette.
want, but it ain't you being so hateful.
No.
These curves make it hurt.
Hey,
I'm worth
hey.
all the work. I know what I serve. It's gonna keep you full all day.
Oo, gusto ko yung kulot doon ni Maloy.
Serve. It's gonna keep you full
Ang ganyan.
all day. Step out in my new bikini hat, turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah. Just like that. You like that? Boy, let's go for a swim. Never been this deep, we'll dive right in.
It's so deep. Oh my gosh, basta ako. Ito, feeling ko ito yung favorite part ko sa bikini kasi sobrang, alam mo yung grabe yung low register ni Stako.
Like that. up in the steep.
Si Aya.
Right in. See,
Adlibs ni
boy,
Aya.
love on my skin, never been this deep. So dive right in. Yeah.
Wow.
Keeping it ocean breeze. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Eh.
Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like that.
Wow.
Like that.
Oh my God, Aya, ang ganda mo. We miss you.
I step out in my new bikini, heads turn up when they see me, keeping it ocean breeze.
I need to watch it again.
Yeah, yeah.
Tapos laging si Colette talaga yung nag-aalis siya ng headphone niya every time wish boss. Meron pa ba to?
Hi Wishers, we are Beanie. For more Wish-exclusive videos,
Their
click
voice,
here
their
to
visuals.
subscribe.
Oh my gosh, miss ko na si Aya. And again guys, advance Merry Christmas kasi tomorrow is Christmas na. So Merry Christmas everyone. Sana masaya kayo ngayong Pasko and sa New Year, advance Happy New Year. Yan. So thank you so much sa walang sawang suporta sa YouTube channel ko. Let's go road to 10k subscribers. Kaya guys, ikalat nyo na please. Ipa 10k nyo na ako kasi nawawalan na ako ng gana. Charot!
Out in my new bikini, heads turning
Oh my
when
God.
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keep it ocean breezy.
My God, her voice.
Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini.
Wow.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I can Monday. I don't leave no crumbs, yeah, like the play. This curves make him hurt, hurt, hurt. I'm
Tsaka kitang-kita na nag-enjoy sila na i-perform tong bikini. Parang pan-tropical lang. I think si Colette at Gwen yung humatak sa akin dito. And God. Ganda. I mean, their visual. Oh, Kevin. Oh my God. Call sheet. Oo, kasali din pala si Gwen doon. Wait naman, Jo. Eh,
I'm worth all the work, work, work. I know what I serve, serve, serve. It's gonna keep you full all day. Step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
di ba Aya si doon sa part na yon?
Me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just like that, just like that. You like that?
Rapid!
Boy, boy, let's go for a swim. Never been this deep.
Adlibs ni Aya.
See, boy, love on my
Let's go.
skin. Never been this deep. So dive right in.
Nicoloy and Hambete.
Keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like that.
My God, si Maloy.
Just like that, just like that. I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see.
Si Jo ba yun?
I step out in my new bikini, heads
Or si
turning
Gwen?
when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Wow.
When it's like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. I step
Wow.
out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Damn! As always, day 8.
Hi Wishers, we are
Always
Beanie.
serving
For
live
more
vocals.
Wish-exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
So, ayan, grabe talaga yung vocals nila, lalo na sa Wish Bus. Narinig mo diba? Grabe. I think etong sa mga Wish Bus na live performance nila yung mga inaabangan talaga. Kasi, grabe yung vocals, grabe yung linis ng boses nila dito sa Wish Bus. Diba? I'm super excited mapakinggan yung Infinity and paru-paro ba yung isa nilang pinerform dito. Basta, I'm super excited. Sana hindi matagal bago i-upload yon. And, grabe, like yung visual nila guys, grabe si Colette at si Gwen. Alam nyo guys, sa mga nakafollow sa akin, di ba, ang bias ko si Colette, tas bias circle ko si Jo. Pero, grabe si Gwen lately, so, hindi ko na talaga, depende talaga sa nasa screen, kasi grabe din sa social media pag nag-upload sila ng mga dump, ng TikTok, grabe. Pero si Gwen talaga lately, guys, oh my gosh, alam niyo na mga totoong naka-follow sa akin, totoong mga friends ko na grabe si Gwen sa akin lately, OT8 ako, and ayan, grabe yung chills. Every time na mapapakinggan ko yung live vocals nila, yung harmonies, yung adlibs, diba? Insane. They are crazy. They are so talented. Yun talaga, yung, alam mo yun, iba't iba yung tono ng boses nila, pero pag nagsama-sama, swak na swak as Beanie, sobrang perfect as a group, as individual, kasi diba yung mga low register nga nila, diba? Oh my gosh, sobrang deep nung mga low register nila, para akong malulunod sa sobrang lalim. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!